Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 72 K10. Really nice looking truck, got a great color scheme. Nice restoration done to it at one time. You can see probably got the original surround on it. It's in pretty good shape, few little paint imperfections, but better than a Chinese one that doesn't fit worth a darn. So here's your grill. You can see the paint shine. Just a driver quality paint, not a show truck by any means, but looks good. Two-tone gray and red. Got the Cheyenne Deluxe moldings. And you can see it's got a few rock chips from driving it. A little bit of a bubble right there, just from probably a rock chip. A couple rock chips on the edge of the door. There's your VIN plate. It's had new carpet, seats been redone. Obviously got custom door handles, got some wood overlays on the instrument cluster. That's a custom vinyl made dash pad. Custom headliner. You can see the dome light working. Tilt steering wheel out of a newer pickup. There you can see the motor was put in at 38,318, now is 77,326. So that's how many miles on the engine. You see them. Like I said, it's a nice truck. Not perfect. As like I said, here's some more rock chips just from driving it with the bigger tires. The tailgate band showing a little wear. Bumper's in good shape. There's your dual exhaust. The rhino lined the box. Got the diamond tread box caps. Like I said, just a nice truck. Got a good look to it. Definitely will get some thumbs up when you're driving it. Same deal here. You got a couple bubbles, probably from some rock chips. And it does have, this is, I don't believe it works, but it has a Rancho adjustable air system in it. So something that if you want to get working or whatever, you certainly can. Sorry about that. There's your sticker on the glove box. Was originally green. Two-tone green. Speakers in the door. Like I said, a lot of neat custom touches that just make it a really nice truck. So if you're looking for a good-looking 72 K10 four-wheel drive, give us a call. This one will definitely let the neighbors know you got a new truck. So 605-695-7391.